maithori nimo maundu maria maronekanire na njira nene hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma Robert Amdani wa ukuru wa miaka 29, umwe wa maabitha a mbiraru aria maratumitwo kungethanira na aici a mahiu mwena wa Olmoran County ya Laikipia. Uyu ari umwe wa andu 8 aria marakuire frigisheni-ini ino. Hindi ya igongona ria kuhurukia Amdani, mbiraru ni maramuthoithire ari njira imwe ya kumuhe gitio giake kia muthia kiria kineagwo abitho wothe wa mbiraru angikwira wira-ini. Andu a nyumba makiuga ati ni kieha kinene kurio kuona Amdani niwe uranyitirire family yake na njira nene, riu magikumithia ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri.
Tuwezi uliwa namna hii kesho, hata ula tumemwombea Mungu apate kazi, tayari imerudi na sanduku. Sisi pastoral communities tunaishi kwa shida na hofu, na tunaishi kwa neema ya Mungu tu, kwa sababu hii mabunduki ataenda kumaliza sisi.
Sasa tumepoteza huyu ambaye ni kijana mdogo sana. Na tunapoteza kupitia mkono ya machangili.
Na watongoria a kaunti iri hakanite na Laikipia ni magite na giikaro niguo guthugunda imwe cia njira iria ingihuthirwo gucokereria thayu kuria riu mokite hamwe rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Amaya. Hamwe na kaunti iria ciri rungu rwa ngwataniro-ini ino ni Laikipia, Baringo, Samburu oro udumwe na Isiolo, kuria na gavana wa kaunti ya Naikuru arekinyetie.
It's not acceptable for any one of us to forcefully enter somebody else's property. And as we have said, all we need to do, all of us, is to follow law and order.
We need to come together, talk to each other, and candidly address the issue at hand.
And we discuss including changing of the economic models for our people so that they can have a livelihood commensurate to what is rightfully there.
We call for pastoralists from other counties to return to their respective counties. We call upon the government to enforce law and order.
We are not initially part of the conflict zone, but we also believe that peace has no borders, and a conflict in one area can end up escalating and affect regions that are nearby.
Robert Amdani aigirire wira-ini wa mbiraru mwaka-ini wa 2015 na aratigire mutumia na ciana 2. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.